Erwin. This is...
I'm Steve Erwin.
Steve
Erwin, the other one.
We have a bunch of chickies blocking the fire escape. We can't escape fires if they're escaping fires for us. We gotta do it 4x4 mode. X Games mode, here we go.
Chickens in the world.
X Games mode. Let's go. We're gonna drag them. Just get close, get the shot from over here.
You're Frederick, aren't you?
I like trains. I like...
I'm crazy!
I got it! I like trains. That's what this one just said. But how am I gonna do this?
You're kinda dumb. Kinda dumb, eh?
This is shot though.
Here's a chicken.
They said chickens can't fly. Watch this. No.
don't.
Maybe I'll don't poop on me, chicky. Uh-oh. Oh, chicken just flew. Look at it, trying to fly. They say Hitler looked like one of these. How do we bring them back to their home? Watch the map. This is where they get eaten alive by coyotes and hawks because they're in a contained space and not free ranged. Come on, chicky. I made it fly. The myth busted, okay. Well, you do that. Steve Erwin, the professional.
Dumb.
Let's close the door.
Chicken ran away.
Well,
Boom, chicken!
we got our surprise is...
Let's go get some more.
I know we're coming now. Yo, we gotta look like the youth over here. Let's do that.
One part of this bloke, I'm dead. But instead, I'm gonna freaking roast him for dinner. Have some KFC.
My side hustle is a hypnotist. This one doesn't know what's happening. Whoa.
Put it on the Cooper possible.
It's possible I'm a hypnotist, remember? We nicknamed this camp. I can't tell you what we named it because YouTube's restriction policy, but it's a good name. The Germans named it actually.
Also, this video has been made possible by Geico. In 15 minutes, you can save 15% or more on car insurance.
Except in Australia. This one's backwards. It's got its tactics. I have to grab it like this, or else it will peck me. This is the Carolina Reaper, the hottest chicken of all times. See? Hypnotized. It thinks it's dead. Say hi to the camera, folks. You're getting a rare look at a venomous chicken. Venomous. My friend Steve was actually killed by one of these.
I'm not supposed to get down.
Jump on, look at this one. These guys were slaves a long time ago. Now they're not. Bleep!
Go.
Looks like a turd.
This video has been made possible by the General. For the same old rate you can get online, go to the General, save some time.
Yeah.
Go.
Hey, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Life hack, they come from the Poconos actually, in Kentucky. They source them from all over, but it's only the freshest chickens in town. We got two races meeting together, and we don't see color like Kentucky Fried Chicken. We eat them all.
Last two. We're almost done. Do the creep. Do the creep.
They coming for your chickens.
I'm gonna wait here. Wait for my partner to get down and get the next one. While we're waiting here, you know chickens used to be the mascot for Geico. And then he was eaten. So no one wanted to step, so.
Look at this beauty.
This is the rooster. This is the one that annoys people in the morning. Just like a woman.